Water doesn't just flow, it transforms. Before Splash came, we got sick and missed school because of unsafe water and unusable toilets. My name is Selam, a university student from Addis Ababa. At my old school, the flowing water didn't just break down barriers, it created possibilities for me. The transformation was in the collaboration. Our government invested nearly $12 million, about a third of the total cost. Our people brought their knowledge. Splash brought their technical expertise and partnerships. Together, we've transformed every public school across Addis Ababa, reaching over 650,000 children with clean water and hygiene education. Clean water must exist for bigger development to come. When children have access to quality systems, everything changes. Their standards rise. They demand better for themselves. Through education and student clubs, we broke the silence around periods. We washed away shame and revealed dignity. Since I graduated, attendance has risen 40%. I'm studying computer science to become a software engineer who designs systems for improving our societies. My story isn't unique. Just one tap or toilet can start the transformation. Splash's approach has served over 1 million children across 8 countries through 2,500 projects, with the organization building supply chains, a bridge to local solutions. Now, Splash plans to reach millions more, every child in every public school in some of the world's fastest growing cities. Local people and organizations become the permanent champions of this story. Water gives us the foundation to pursue our dreams, but it is what we build on that foundation that transforms everything. Join us and Splash as we transform entire cities, starting with schools, because when clean water flows, our dreams become reality.